Good afternoon, dear students. Today we discussed about diseases of gram, means chickpea diseases. How many diseases belong our syllabus like that root rot of gram, escoblight of gram, and wilt of gram. So let's start root rot of gram. Root rot is disease in which uh, gram, like the dry root rot caused by Rhizoctonia bataticola. ब्रैकेट में जो नाम है टॉब मीन्स इन्होंने सबसे पहले डिस्कवर किया, राइजोक्टोनिया बटाटिकोला का नाम दिया, देन बटलर ने वापस रिसेंट बटलर ने इसका दोबारा नॉमेनक्लेचर किया. Is one of the most destructive and widespread disease which cause average yield losses of 5 to 50%. अभी हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में 1.25 करोड़ का मतलब 1,25,00,000 का प्रोजेक्ट आया हुआ है किस पे, ड्राई रूट रॉट ऑफ ग्राम पे. सो इट इज अ वेरी सीरियस डिजीज एंड लॉसेज अकर 5 to 50%. What are symptoms? The symptoms is sudden and complete wilting of the plant. On pulling out the infected plant, if you are pulling यानी आप plant को खींचोगे, the entire root system may be found rotting and decaying. रूट कैसी हो जाएंगी, रोटिंग, गल जाएंगी, सड़ जाएगी रूट. एंड जो लेटरल रूट्स हैं, थिनर रूट्स हैं, वो श्रेड हो जाएगी, गिर जाएगी. येलो स्लाइम ऑन द वुड, minute fungal sclerotia appear as a minute black dot on the surface of woody tissues and on the rotting bark. If you pulling the root means if you pulling the plant of gram, then you see lateral roots are shredded and minute fungal sclerotia appear as a minute black dot. What is black dot? It is a sclerotia. In Rhizoctonia bataticola or Rhizoctonia solanae, in which sclerotia is a resting structure, means in the absence of main host, the sclerotia is a resting structure survive in the absence of main host. Classification. According to Kirk et al. 2008, Rhizoctonia bataticola, it is a perfect stage and imperfect stage. Rhizoctonia bataticola, it is a imperfect stage. And perfect stage क्या होगी Rhizoctonia bataticola की? Macrophomina phaseolina. While Rhizoctonia bataticola is a imperfect stage and their perfect stage belong to Ascomycota. Rhizoctonia bataticola belong to Hypomycetes, means Eukarya, domain, kingdom fungi, group Hypomycetes, group genus Rhizoctonia, species bataticola. And perfect stage of Rhizoctonia bataticola, domain Eukarya, kingdom fungi, phylum Ascomycota, class Dotheriomycetes, order Botryospirales, family Botryospiraceae, genus Macrophomina, and species Phaseolina. Morphology of the pathogen. High P septate होगी. Whatever pathogen belong to Hypomycetes group or imperfect fungi, their hypa always septate, and Rhizoctonia bataticola fairly thick, 1.5 to 2.5 micrometer, both inter and intracellularly. Sclerotia of Rhizoctonia bataticola are black and irregular. You have clear seen this picture. This is a Rhizoctonia bataticola sclerotia. This is a resting structure of Rhizoctonia bataticola, and Rhizoctonia solanae also similar. Rhizoctonia bataticola sclerotia What are sclerotia? Sclerotia, the hard, dark, resting body of certain fungi, means rhizoctonia, consisting of mass of IP, capable remaining dormant or long period. For long period means thick, compact mass of hyphae or mycelium. Okay, this is a root rot of chickpea. Lateral roots are shredded and short. These are short root, taproot, and rotting of the dry rot. This is a dry rot of chickpea. Host pathogen relationship, or what are disease cycle. It survives saprophytically in the soil because this is a soil borne disease. So survive in soil on dead organic matter and root in the soil. And sclerotia produce on infected roots, primary infection caused by mycelium on host root, and there are no secondary infection. Mostly root rot on wilt disease are not secondary infection. These are monocyclic diseases. Management, wilt disease like similar management of root rot. Soil-borne pathogen which is cause root rot can be killed by soil solarization. Treat the seed with carbendazim thiram 2 gram per kg of seed, and seed treatment Trichoderma viridi 4 gram per kg, Pseudomonas 10 gram per kg. Apply farmyard manure. Treatment, seed treatment, carbendazim, polythene, soil solarization, mulching, and grow tolerant genotype like ICCV 10. Soil drenching, it is a very important for standing crops in the field. Soil drenching with carbendazim 0.1% or copper oxychloride 0.25%. Ascochyta blight of gram here. The second disease, the first disease, root rot of gram or wilt disease are similar. We are earlier discussed about wilt disease of gram, so further not discussed about wilt of gram. So this disease, Ascochyta blight of gram. The disease was first reported by E.J. Butler in 1911 from northwestern frontier province of India, now in Pakistan. It is the most damaging disease of chickpea, and the disease appeared in the epidemic from during 1981 to 83 in UP, Haryana, Punjab, and Bihar also. Symptoms: all the above ground part of this plant are attacked. Means below ground part are not affected, only above ground part of the plants are attacked. Round, elongated, circular spot develop on leaves. I think जिनके घर में, जिनके खेत में चने की खेती होती है, वो इस डिजीज को देखते ही पहचान जाएंगे. ये डिजीज बहुत कॉमन है और wherever gram sowing, gram cultivated area, there is seriously disease reported. All the above ground part of the plant are attacked. These spot कैसे होंगे? Elongated होंगे, round होंगे, circular spot होगा, leaves, pod or long spot on stem. These, these spots are surrounded by brown margin and center is yellowish gray. Brown margin होगा and center में yellow होगा. The circular spot on the green pod are surrounded by a dark margin and bear pycnidial arranged in a concentric circle. यहाँ एक term आई, what is pycnidial? Pycnidial means flask shape. हमने रेड रूट ऑफ सुगर केन में एक टर्म पढ़ी थी, वो क्या थी? एसरबुलाई. एसरबुलाई और पिक्निडिया. इट इज ए asexual fruiting body of deuteromycota और group hypomycetes और imperfect fungi. imperfect fungi में एसरबुलाई और पिक्निडिया क्या है? asexual fruiting body. एसरबुलाई बॉट शेप की थी, wherever pycnidia is a flask shaped. अभी हम जब डिजीज साइकिल की बात करेंगे तो मैं आपको इमेज दिखाऊंगी, इसका पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी. सो डार्क मार्जिन क्या है वो? पिक्निडिया. कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल, सीड विद इन pod may also show lesion. And if the main stem is brittle at the collar region, the whole plant dry above part droop and wilt and dries. Here, this is a clear picture of Ascoblighta gram. So clear seen this picture. This is a gray, brown concentric ring and yellow halo pycnidial fruiting body. This is a, if you cut section and seen under the microscope, you clear seen pycnidial fruiting body. This is a in the field in the standing crops. Ascochaeta rabii, earlier recent known as Ascochaeta rabii. Classification according to Kirk et al. 2008, perfect stage are belong to Ascomycota, class Dothidiomycetes, order Pleiosporales, family Didymelaceae, and genus is Didymela rabii. Genus Didymela rabii. Imperfect stage Hypomycetes pycnidial fungi means wherever fungi belong to pycnidial fungi means asexual fruiting body flask shape. जिनकी भी fruiting body asexual fruiting body flask shape होंगी वो pycnidial fungi में belong करेगी. Hypomycetes का classification के अंदर एसेरुलाई पिक्निडियल स्टेज होती है. तो पिक्निडियल में जितनी भी फ्लास्क शेप की फ्रूटिंग बॉडी होती है वो पिक्निडियल फंजाई में बिलोंग करती है. देन मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ द पैथोजन. द माइसीलियम इज हाईलाइन टू सेप्टेट. आई टोल्ड अर्लियर ऑल फंजाई बिलोंग टू हाइपोमाइसिटीज ग्रुप और imperfect fungi their mycelium is septate. In Rhizoctonia bataticola, it is a pycnidial fungus produce conidia and conidiophore in pycnidia. The conidia are hyaline, oval to oblong, straight or curved. The conidia germinate by long germ tube. You have clear seen this picture. This is a pycnidia. This is a flask shaped structure. You have clear seen this picture. This is a pycnidial. And this is a conidia. Host pathogen relationship. The disease is seed-borne nature. Pathogens survive as a pycnidia on diseased plant part in field and as spore and hyphae in and on seed. यानी seed के अंदर और seed के बाहर. Disease क्या है? Seed-borne nature. Primary infection caused by mycelium survive on or in seed form conidia produced in pycnidia. यानी सीड के अंदर होगा, माइसीलियम ग्रो होगा और वो पिक्निडिया का फॉर्म में हो जाएगा. प्राइमरी इनोकुलम मल्टीप्लाई होगा हाइपोकोटाइल में, एपिकोटाइल में, नियर स्टेम बेस पे और वो और स्प्रेड हो जाएगा अबव ग्राउंड पार्ट पे. मीन्स पिक्निडिया से क्या होगा? प्राइमरी इन्फेक्शन. सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन कॉज्ड बाय कोनिडिया प्रोड्यूस इन लीजन. यानी जो पिक्निडिया में कोनिडिया प्रोड्यूस होंगे वो सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन करेंगे और स्प्रेड किससे होंगे? रेन ड्रॉप स्पेल ऐसे स्पेल्स यानी बूंदों से, बरसात की बूंदों से, विंडी वेदर, बाय इंसेक्ट एक्सेट्रा. This is a asexual fruiting body and this is a sexual fruiting body. In sexual fruiting body, Ascomycota, pseudothecium. It is a pseudothecium sexual fruiting body. Do not confuse between pycnidia and pseudothecium. Okay. Then Ascus, Ascomycota bearing 8 ascospore. Ascospore here. This is a oval conidia and this is a seed-borne disease. Whenever we grow in field, then systemic infection, there is a lesions appear above ground part. Pseudothecia is also flask-shaped fruiting body, but is belong to sexual fruiting body. Management. Grow resistant variety, tolerant variety like Gaurav. C 235, G 543, GG 588. Many varieties of resistant varieties. Remove and destroy infected plant debris. Crop rotations. Deep sowing of seed. It is a very important. If you're sowing deep, then avoid diseases. Intercropping, treat the seed with thiram carbendazim 2 gram per kg. Exposure of seed 40 to 50 degrees Celsius reduce the survival of Aspergillus by about 40 to 70%. Spray carbendazim 0.1% or chlorothalonil 0.3% in standing crops. Today we discuss two diseases. Our syllabus belong three diseases, but wilt of gram earlier discussed, so further not discussed about wilt of gram. So today we discuss two disease: root rot of dry root rot of chickpea and asco blight of chickpea gram, in which root rot caused by Rhizoctonia bataticola and Ascochyta rebi. So here, in which we see that is Rhizoctonia bataticola is also imperfect fungi. Ascoblighta rebi is also imperfect fungi. Their perfect fungi or their sexual reproduction occur Ascomycota group and belong to Rhizoctonia bataticola and Ascochyta rebi belong to Hypomycetes group wherever pycnidial stage of Ascochyta rebi. कुछ नहीं है, रूट रॉट में हम जाके फील्ड में हम डायरेक्ट पहचान जाएंगे, पौधा येलो हो जाएगा, सूख जाएगा बिल्कुल. जब हम उसको पुलिंग करेंगे, उखाड़ कर देखेंगे तो जो जड़ है उसकी वो रोटिंग हो जाएगी और जो लेटरल उसकी रूट है वो क्या हो जाएगी, श्रेडेड हो जाएगी और जड़ें सड़ जाएगी, पौधा सूख जाएगा, पत्तियां गिर जाएंगी. किससे होता है? राइजोक्टोनिया बटाटिकोला से. राइजोक्टोनिया बटाटिकोला और root rot of chickpea is a soil-borne nature and pathogens survive as a sclerotia. What is sclerotia? Sclerotia is a thick mycelium, thick compact mycelium body, thick compact hyphae intermingle and survive as a resting structure, resting spore in absence of main host. Then what is our management? सॉइल बॉर्न डिजीज में हम क्या करते हैं मैनेजमेंट, वही मैनेजमेंट हमें अप्लाई करने हैं. देन सेकंड डिजीज एस्कोकाइटा ब्लाइट. एस्कोकाइटा रेबई बिलोंग टू इम्परफेक्ट फंजाई. परफेक्ट फंजाई एस्कोमाइकोटा एंड पिक्निडियल स्टेज. अगर आप फील्ड में जाओगे, फील्ड में जाके आप क्या देखोगे, येलो कलर के स्पॉट होंगे, चारों तरफ ब्राउन कलर का कंसंट्रेटिंग रिंग होगी और ब्लैकिश हो जाएगा लेटर. ब्लैक डॉट्स क्या होंगे? पिक्निडियल स्टेज होगा. पिक्निडियल स्टेज क्या है? इट इज एसेक्सुअल फ्रूटिंग बॉडी ऑफ हाइपोमाइस्टिस ग्रुप. अब हम बात करें पिक्निडियल कैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है. पिक्निडियल फ्लास्क शेप स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिससे कोनिडिया निकलते हैं. इट इज एसेक्सुअल फ्रूटिंग बॉडी. तो एसेक्सुअल हमारा जो एसेक्सुअल प्रोडक्शन है, एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन किससे होता है? कोनिडिया से. तो पिक्निडिया से क्या निकलेंगे? कोनिडिया. And then sexual fruiting body Ascomycota से होगी. Pseudothecia is a sexual fruiting body and ascospore are released. Then this is a seed-borne disease and survive whenever we grow gram in field. This is a systemic infection on leaves, above ground part, pod, stem, leaves are yellow halo regions, concentrating rings, and management are the for the seed treatment. Because of this is seed-borne disease, seed treatment, certified seed resistant varieties use seed treatment, biological control, and in standing crop you spray carbendazim 2 gram per kg, 2 gram per liter water spray. Any query? Please ask me. बहुत कम बच्चे हैं इस बार क्लास में, शायद मुझे लगता है इंस्टेंटली मैंने शेड्यूल बनाया इसलिए होगा ऐसा. आई होप you are well in COVID-19.